I was at the store and I got a 3-prong little adapter that plugs into a 3-prong and then 2-prong on that end, or a 3-hole adapter with the 2 prongs at one end. And then I looked at these because I didn't check that before I went to the store, and so I got that. And then when I came back here, I saw it was only 2 prongs. So this morning when I had to go back to the store and get more parts, and so I took that 3-prong back in a blank cover plate because I didn't think I needed it. Now look, they've got this end has the 3 prongs. Look at that. So of course that's not going to plug into there. I should have kept that 3-pronger adapter, and that little adapter was only 88 cents. So the adapter, 88 cents for that to then plug into there. This cord here was like 99 cents. This was probably $12 or something. So I don't think I'm going to use this. We may use that for an extension cord or something if we ever need to. Chances are, you know, we're probably not going to ever be plugging in anything in this thing. It's going to light up those 2 little deals, and then it's going to be power to charge your phone if you're watching TV and you want to plug your phone in there or something. So there's not going to be much power going into this. So I'm going to end up going back to the store because I've got to go back for some other things anyways. And then I'll end up getting that little adapter so I can plug one of those in here and this one in the other one. And I was looking at that this morning, and let's get this up here. And I was seeing some writing on here. You can't really see it, but it said open. And I thought, what's the deal here? So I took that, and you can twist it. You can close this off. You can close one off. So in case you're only using one side, maybe you don't want the other side open, in case something gets in there, like some ants or bugs climbing in there making a little nest or something, you can twist that off. If you only need this for one side, plug it in. And then you can open them. I thought that was kind of slick. They didn't used to do that years ago. I guess I'm a little short of the curve when it comes to that, because I haven't really gone to the store lately to check things out like that. So anyways, that might help you on your next little project, deciding to shut those off. Because nice to kind of close those off, I guess. I mean, you don't have to close them off. You can leave them open, because the power strip I got, you know, that's all going to be left open, right? So I've got to, what I have to do is make sure that first off, those cords are long enough to plug into here, and then secondly, that I've got this long enough to go around this curved sectional area here. And you know, obviously I could lift it up. And there's probably plenty of room through there, so that I can, I think I'm going to have, see if I have this is going to be over in here. This can go across there, and then underneath that, that'll be plenty long enough to get beyond this point. Okay, and so then I've got to, I know this is plenty long enough to plug in there. This one here is plenty long enough to pull over. This one on that side, plenty long enough to go over there. Okay, so I know this can be put in underneath here anywhere through here, and I only got one that was 2.5 long of cord, and that saved me like $6 on this power strip. This power strip was only like $4 as opposed to $10, and they had a $4 one, a $7 one, a $10 one, a $16 one. They all look pretty much the same. Got the on-off switch here. I don't know. So it was good. I looked around. So this one only cost me $4. Okay, so if I got that plugged in there, or anywhere in here, this is going to be plenty long enough to wherever, so I know my electrical outlet needs to be right in here somewhere. Okay? Right about there is where my electrical outlet needs to be. And then I've got enough room to plug all that stuff in. Does it make sense? Anywhere in this cavity, in reality. But I can put it right in there, and so I'm gonna leave that right like that. And then I've got some masking tape. I probably don't really need any masking tape, but I'm gonna end up getting down there. I'm gonna put some masking tape basically first off, have it about where I want the box, and then let's get you down there. I'm gonna get you down there, readjust my tripod. Okay. And we'll see. See, there's a rail. There's this whole rail here. And I can't go any further than that obviously. I want my electrical outlet in here somewhere, and I'll just run it lengthwise, you know, this direction, not out this way. And there should be enough room. See, this is going right there. So I got plenty of room, but I want to kind of keep it back this way as best I can. Okay, so I'm gonna just I would be doing all the same stuff without the video camera. You might as well see what I'm doing. I'm gonna put this tape right up next to the metal runner. Okay, telling me that's as far as I want to go back that way, and I'll remember that I'm not going to cut it right there because I've got to have enough room for my cover plate and all that. And you see, I got this cover plate's going to fit on there, and that's going to fit in a cut-in box. And let's see, I have I'm going to put a deep cut-in box in there so that I can push it down tight to the carpet, and then the wood's actually going to be about here on down. And I'll drill a hole through there and run a screw in there and there into the subfloor. Okay, so I don't want to cut right up next to the metal there because once I put this in, I got to have enough room for my cover plate, right? When my cover plate sticks over, I don't want that to hit my metal under there. So far so good. You got that so far? And so now my next step is, I've thought this through, and once you think about it, just make sure you kind of look at stuff and figure out, is it all lined up right? Looks like this piece is pretty much lined up. This thing looks a little cattywampus here, doesn't it? For some reason, I don't know why that is, but hey, it is what it is. Maybe the legs can be adjusted or something's off down there, but see, it's all pretty much in a line and stuff. And I know that if I get it back in there, it should be okay about where it is. When we line this up, you want to make sure this is straight. You can take a tape measure, and measure over from your wall over to that end, and then another tape measure from here over that way. If there's not enough room, you can measure from that side that way and from this side that way. So you get this all lined up to your room, so to speak, okay? All right, so the next thing I've got to do is I've got to pull this out. See, there's no way I'm going to reach under there. I'm pretty sure this is not connected. I don't know, some have hooks that kind of go over, and this can all be fit in there, but I'm not sure how they did that. You and I will just have to figure that out as we go. Okay, so next step, pull that out so we can figure out how to cut that hole through the carpet. Whew. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. I'm looking forward to this project.